Hello everybody, this is Petra Scorpio from YouTube. I have a problem with my 96 Ford Taurus. The problem is since I use the throttle body cleaner, my idle goes up and down, idle is shaking and stuff like that. Hard starting, but not on cold. The problem appears when the engine is hot. I think it's a vacuum leak. I think it's a vacuum leak, but I change all the hoses, check spark plugs, and I don't know, new MAF, new idle speed control, new just stuff like that, you know, and the problem is still there. I can't figure out. The car has barely 92,000 miles, and this is, let me show this problem. Sorry for my bad English. It starts right up, that idle is shaking. It seems like misfire. Take a look. Idle is just up the 1000 RPMs. And now knobs go down. And goes up slightly. This is the barely cold, just slightly warmed up. This is the maybe 900 RPMs. Just wait a second. Maybe you hear the engine sound is just shaking and stumbling. Oh, now it looks like misfire, but not misfire. The spark plugs are original Motorcraft, and it's 2 years old now. You see? I just placed my camera on the steering wheel. Just a little bit of smoke. It's pretty rainy here in the middle of Europe. You see? Okay. Oh, now. Up and down and shaking and kicking, and this is in reverse. Drive and in park. You see? Maybe something with the fuel system, I don't know. Let me know, please. Thank you.